Hello and welcome to Bike Tracker, your go-to destination for everything bikes. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350, a bike that's turning heads with its urban attitude and classic Enfield DNA. Whether you're a city rider or a weekend explorer, the Hunter 350 promises a lot. Let's break it down. Design and styling. The 2025 Hunter 350 stays true to its retro roadster roots but comes with refreshed color schemes and premium finishes. It maintains a minimalist look with a muscular tank, round headlamp, and sleek tail section. With new graphics and color options, it feels young, bold, and ready for the city. Engine and performance. Powering the Hunter is the tried and tested 349 cubic centimeters J-series engine, delivering around 20.2 brake horsepower and 27 Newton-meters of torque. Mated to a 5-speed gearbox, it offers a smooth and refined ride. Whether you're weaving through traffic or cruising on open roads, the performance is well balanced for both new and experienced riders. Ride and handling. Built on a lightweight frame, the Hunter 350 offers agile handling and a comfortable upright riding position. The 17-inch wheels, along with a low seat height and telescopic front forks, make it extremely maneuverable, perfect for urban commuting. It's nimble without compromising on stability. Features and technology. The 2025 model adds a few modern touches like a semi-digital instrument cluster with tripper navigation in higher variants. It also comes with dual-channel ABS, LED lighting, and improved switchgear. These updates make it not just stylish, but also functional for daily riders. Price and value. One of the biggest strengths of the Hunter 350 is its affordability. It's one of the most budget-friendly bikes in the Royal Enfield lineup. With the 2025 updates, it continues to offer incredible value for money while bringing that Enfield charm to a new generation of bikers. Final thoughts. The 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350 is a smart mix of retro style, modern performance, and daily practicality. If you're looking for a bike that's easy to handle, fun to ride, and carries iconic branding, the Hunter 350 deserves a spot on your shortlist. That's all for today's review on Bike Tracker. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more bike insights and updates. Ride safe, and we'll catch you in the next one.